Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So those who listen direct English, come forward. You cannot go to that.
Directamente acérquense a él, yo voy a hacer la traducción ahí atrás para ustedes.
Era mais para o pessoal que já era essa parte.
So, first of all, offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavamanga Sri Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Sadmad Bhakti Vedanta Silavamanga Sri Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satasmad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Raka Sridhar Goswami Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vaibhav Puri Goswami Maharaj, and Prapuja Charan Sripad, Bhakti Vichar Vishnu Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So today, last our Harikatha, we are very happy, and few days we are staying. How many days?
Where? Mexico or the city?
No, this place.
This place? 4 days.
4 days. Very quick. 4 days passed. And Jambuvan Prabhu and his wife, Krishnamai, Devi Dasi, they are so kind. And love and affection give us to some opportunity to speak Harikatha.
Every year, Gurudev, you are welcome.
Every year?
Every year, twice a year.
Okay.
Dos veces al año.
Give claps, good.
Shamai is the boss here, Gurudev. Loves her a lot. Bless her. She's always serving.
Servicing.
Always.
Always servicing. Yeah.
Very important.
Yeah, you are very fortunate. Your Krishna Bhakti is very important. So, couple days we also discuss how to develop our spiritual life. Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anarthamriti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav and Prem. This is the sequence also. And we also discuss Vaidhi Bhakti, Raganuga Bhakti, many things also discuss. And Madhurya Kadamini Grantha Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad very nicely and elaborately explain all these philosophy tattvas. Krishna Bhakti Janma Mool Hoy Sadhu Sangha. Krishna Prem Janma Tiho Mukha Anga. Krishna Bhakti Janma Mool. The root cause of Krishna Bhakti, that is called the association of sadhu. Krishna Bhakti Janma Mool Hoy Sadhu Sangha. So yesterday we also explained Shraddha, and two kinds of Shraddha. One is called Lokik Shraddha, another is called Paramarthiki Shraddha. Worldly faith that is called Lokik Shraddha. Then associated sadhu, then Paramarthik Shraddha will come. And that is called spiritual faith will come. First associated sadhu, that is called Lokik Shraddha. Or with the associated sadhu, listen Hari Katha, then slowly Paramarthik Shraddha will come. Spiritual faith. So that means sadhu sangha twice. And before Shraddha also need sadhu sangha. And after sadhu sangha also Shraddha will come. And these are important. But everything you will associate with sadhu according your Sukriti. And so 3 types of Sukriti again explain. What are the 3 types of Sukriti? And Karmanmukhi Sukriti, Jnananmukhi Sukriti and Bhakti Unmukhi Sukriti. And Karma Unmukhi Sukriti. Associate with the Karmis, then Karma Unmukhi Sukriti will come. Then automatically your tendency will come to perform karma. That is called Karma Unmukhi Sukriti also. And that types of sadhu also there. Like those who are helping the people.
Philanthropists. Philanthropists. Philanthropy.
Philanthropy.
That means helping people.
This is also. I like, you can go India, many also, the institution, they are helping the people. When the flood coming, they are helping the people. And they also helping the poor people, different ways.
Hospitals.
Is this the same as punya?
That is called
Same as punya?
Punna Karma. Actually, that is not the spirituality. But some abhas, semblance of spirituality. So they are called Karmanmukhi Sukriti. With a but Karmanmukhi Sukriti leads to Sargaloka heaven. And if you give charity, donation, helping the poor people, then your destination will be go to Sargaloka. These are they. Most of the people, they like these things also. But they have no idea about spirituality. What is the spirituality? They don't know. As like Mother Teresa, helping and not helping. Whole world know about this philosophy. Helping this. These types of also helping. This is nature of the soul also. That is compassion. Compassion or not? And if anybody suffering any kinds of distress, unhappiness, you have to help. And so for this regard, 99% people, they also involve these types of activities and opening school, college, and also hospital, and helping the people. Many ways. But Shastra saying associated with these types of sadhus, they are called Karmanmukhi Sukriti. Our Karmanmukhi Sukriti leads to heaven, Sargaloka. Not more than this. Tetam Gupta Sargalokam Visalam Chine Pune Martalokam Vishanti. Krishna says to Arjuna, Bhagavad Gita, those who perform punna karma, according to the Purna Karma, they will attain Sargaloka, heavenly planet. When their Purna will be finished, then again they return back in this material world. Even they will go the place of Sattaloka, Brahmo Bhuvanaloka, Punarivartine Arjunam. And Krishna, hey Arjun, even they attain to the place of Sattaloka, Brahmaloka, the place of Brahmaji. Again they will come them in this material world. Tetang Bhakta Brahmo Bhuvanaloka, Punarivartine Arjuna. This is the verse. Then second types of sadhu sangha, that is called Gyananmukhi sadhu sangha. Gyana Unmukhi, acquire the knowledge. These types of sadhu, they acquire the knowledge. Because Shastra saying Gyanad Mukti, if you acquire the knowledge, then you will get the liberation, Mukti. Gyanad Mukti. Gyanad Mukti. But their tendency are to merge in Brahma. Brahmajyati. Yes? And that is very dangerous. Because once you merge in Brahma, very difficult to return back in that place. So this is very, very dangerous. Okay.
Like Sukadeva Goswami, he was in Brahmayoti, or how is that?
Sukadeva Goswami Brahmajyati. Who told you?
The Sukadeva Goswami was in Brahmayoti, then came into the womb of his mother, and he didn't want to go out. I am wrong. Excuse me, Maharaj. Estoy equivocado.
You are wrong.
I am wrong.
Listen very carefully. Who is Sukadeva Goswami?
Mahayana.
Huh?
Mahayana.
Mahajan.
Are Sukadeva Goswami
Priya Sukha.
Priya Sukha. Sukadeva Goswami Pad in his previous life explained he was the very nearest
Parrot.
baby parrot of Srimati Radhika. So saying Radha, Shriya Sukha, Shriya means Srimati Radhika. Sukha. But his acting role how to merge in Brahma. But he is very near and dearest parrot of Srimati Radhika. Sukadeva Goswami Pad life history have to listen very carefully. And even four Kumaras, they first to try to merge in Brahma and effulgence of Lord, Brahmajyati. But by the causeless mercy of Brahmaji, four Kumaras, they gave up the tendency to merge in Brahma. So very carefully listen.
Jnani Sadhu.
Gyan Gyanonmukhi
Sukriti.
Sukriti. If we associate these types of sadhus, those who have tendency to merge in Brahma, Brahmajyati, then you will merge in Brahma. Very carefully. For the Shastra saying, always avoid these types of sadhu. Those who are nature,
To merge.
merge to Brahma. Another also very dangerous, that is called those who practice to merge in super soul, Paramatma Sajuja. And one is two Sajuja. One is called Brahma Sajuja, or another is called Paramatma Sajuja. If you want to know more details, you can read the book
Going
Bhakti Pragyan, Kesava Goswami Maharaj, going
beyond
beyond Vaikuntha.
no, beyond Nirvana.
And Nirvana.
Beyond Nirvana.
Beyond Nirvana. That book, read. Very simple. Bhakti Pragyan Kesava Goswami Maharaj, he explained this book also. So now coming in this way, third categories of sadhu sangha, that is called bhakta unmukhi sukriti sadhu, with the association of pure devotee of Lord Krishna. Then bhakti unmukhi sukriti will come. Everything depends on your association of sadhu. What kinds of sukriti we will get depend on your
Association.
association. Sadhu sangha. Karmanimukhi sadhu is higher than also Jnananmukhi sukriti. Jnananmukhi sadhu. Because if you go to heaven, Sargaloka again come down in this material world. Maybe Krishna will arrange how to get association of pure devotee of Lord. But if you associate with Jnananmukhi sadhu, they are very, very dangerous. Understand? And especially those are impartialist, Mayavadi. That is very, very dangerous also. If you margin, then very difficult to understand this philosophy also. They are thinking, no, we margin Brahma. Because their philosophy is called Brahma Satta Jagat Mithya. Jiva Brahmaipa Naparaha. Impartialist, this is their philosophy. Only Brahma Satta. Brahma Satta, Brahma, that is called the
Truth.
absolutely truth. Jagat Mithya. In this material world, what you are looking, that is completely false. Ajiva Brahma Napara. There are no any living entities. They don't believe about soul and Atma. They believe only Brahma, and then Brahma covered with the Maya. Then you are giving your identity, I am Jiva. But when this Brahma removed,
When this Maya illusion.
then when the Maya remove, illusion remove, then you become Brahma. They are